Today we are taking a look at YouTube's pathetic attempt to block ad blockers. But don't worry, I've got your back. I'll show you the best ways to block ads on both PC and mobile. Ready to take control of your viewing experience? Let's dive in. So let me hit you with a personal story. Picture this, it's May 2023, I'm lying in my bed at 10 PM ready to catch some sleep. Usually I put on a relaxing video and drift off, but suddenly I get this message. And I'm scared shitless. I didn't know what video player being blocked meant, and I thought I'd never be able to watch YouTube ever again. The next morning I almost had a mental breakdown. I mean, can you imagine watching like 3 unskippable ads before a video, 10 in between, and don't forget the one at the end? So what happened here? How did YouTube pull off this seemingly final strike against ad blockers? Well, in the code of the YouTube website there are scripts that detect ad blockers and prevent viewing. But guess what? 2 or 3 days later, uBlock Origin, one of the best ad blockers, was updated and bypassed the script. Other ad blockers followed suit, and to this day, YouTube hasn't attempted anything similar.
How do you know what's good for me? That's my opinion!
I personally use an ad blocker.
I use an ad blocker, like on my own computer. And then I tell you, you shouldn't use Adblock because that's piracy. It comes off as so hypocritical knowing that that is not what I'm doing. I send money to the creators that have created content that I find to be valuable, and I support them in every which way that I can. But at the end of the day, I'm not going to tell you to not use an ad blocker.
No matter what you think of ad blockers, I see this as a power move against YouTube. The small user showing the big corporation how it's going to go. And let me say, I am very grateful for the smart and hardworking coders who improve everyone's life every single day with ad blockers. Now I will quit my yapping and tell you poor souls how to restore balance to the universe and block all the fucking ads to your heart's content. On Windows, open your browser and search for your browser's name plus extension store. I'll demonstrate with Chrome and Bing. Click on the first link, search for Adblocker, and install any. I highly recommend uBlock Origin, Adblock Ultimate, and Adblock. Here comes a bonus tip. Install 2 ad blockers, because as we say in Germany, doppelt hält besser. If you install 2, the likelihood of one of them being detected or one ad slipping through your protection becomes close to impossible. Now on mobile. On Android, go to the App Store and install CleanTube. This is basically the YouTube app without ads and also some other handy features that are usually locked behind YouTube Premium. And for the Apple users, yeah, I think you already messed up enough in your life. Thanks for watching, and I hope you don't die.